Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are going to look at April 2025 Patreon. This is part 8. We pretty much saw everything on the past videos. We're just going to do a quick overview on the April for the part 8 and part 9 that's coming up on Tuesday. So let's start. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And also, if you do, and all the links for these will be down below. If we're looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures as well. Probably see some repeats because we're just doing a quick little overview for a lot of these things as well. So, um, Oceania minis. This is a good one for Tyranids, and basically, I think this is for May. Here we go, April. So we got some Tyranids, we got some Necrons and Tau stuff that you guys can use for your proxies for it. And we got ES Monster for figures. This is April reward for your figures as well. So we got Doom Girl, a whole bunch of stuff, and this is the April welcome pack as well. If you do enjoy it, this I got two different types of Yorochi with this as well, I believe. But it's actually pretty good. We can look at some of the May stuff as well, but try to get this done as quick as possible, as fast as possible. Rescale miniature, April. Let me see if you can get a. No, you can't really get a big one, can you? So this is like for D&D. They do mostly like dragon. They used to be called Lord or Prince. So yeah, they do a lot of dragon art and other types as well. You can actually use some of these for your a Dark Souls campaign or Elden Ring with all the dragons that they have on it as well, and they got some creepy looking minotaurs for your game. And got with a big maul hammer. Next is B figure for like $7.90. You get all these stuff for it. So you got like Solo Leveling, you got Mega Man, Naruto, Astro Boy. I forgot these two are called. Transformers, Chainsaw Man, Spy X Family, and you got One Piece as well. You know, I think the figure looks really good in many ways. Uh, but yeah, if you do enjoy it, check them out if you want some cool looking old school figures from that things. This is April for Titanfall miniature. They do Warhammer proxy. This is basically I think Age of Sigmar or Old World for the Wood Elves, and you got some D&D stuff as well that you can use. The pirates and the undead thing. I don't know if there's actually a pirate character in the Old World and Age of Sigmar, but you can use these for your campaign for your D&D as well. Val Victus, another one for your proxy. This will be your Bertolis for a lot of the stuff that you guys are probably be interested in. Next is Nom Nom figure. So we got General Grievous. We got the loot box for all four of the characters from the Zelda tier of the kingdom. You got, Chibi diorama of the ghost Pokemon of Ghastly, Hunter, and Gengar. Master Chief Halo release. Another good one as well. I think we're getting Lilo and Stitch. I know Asher wants to watch the live action of it. We might watch it. I don't know, or wait till like Disney Plus to come out. Arcanine, chibi version of that. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a single version of Chibi Gengar as well. I do like Gengar a lot, but I'm not really a ghost Pokemon guy. Ashley mostly is. This is from Marvel Rivals. I forgot her name was. Magic Magic for it. Shigo. Shigo. That's May winner. I do want Gamma so much, and Baru and Tank. These three I really want. I don't mind having a great blue eyes white dragon. I don't want a chibi one, but got Casca from Berserk. I still haven't watched this anime yet or read the manga. I heard that people are telling me to watch it, so I'm probably going to for it. So we got the loot box for Earthworm Gem. Remember playing this game on the Super Nintendo. It was funny and fun, but also I was like a little kid and I hated it because I kept dying. Probably if I replay it again, it would be a lot different story than before. Gamek, this is a Warhammer proxy for Fantasy Sigmar and 40k. Many ways. Let's see here. April Crown, Aki. I think this is the Shogun Fire Dragon. This is probably the new 40k. No, I think it's the old world, I believe, or the Age of Sigmar. They added a new thing on it due to the Asian Oriental version of it that they added on the Total War 3. So this will be actually really good. So April 4S. So we got some orcs and some that what that Asian thing are called for fantasy. This is sci-fi one. I think we're getting Imperiums. I am interested in building Imperiums, but I'm also don't want to build an Imperium because there's so many of them, and I don't like painting a whole lot of the same thing over and over. So I don't know. So we got some Imperium tank. We got probably got some Predator tanks as well. We got some Chaos. We got some Kroots as well that's coming up for it. Next is Youngblood Sculptor. This is also a figure. So we got, I think her name is Silent or Quiet. I have the game, never played it. I know there's Shiva. Forgot which one this one's called. I think he's from Guilty Gear. We got Bison, Clayface. There's another one from Guilty Gear as well. From Street Fighter 6, forgot her name. Zangief. So yeah, and we got what you call it, Miles as well. That's good. Blue Wyvern. This could be a proxy. This one cannot be. Reason why I kind of like the look of it is that it looks like they have the Tau. The May previews the Tau. Is this guy from? Looks like War Greymon. Uh, or Metal Greymon. I mean, that's why I kind of like it. But it looks like an actual T Rex or War Greymon. Not War Greymon, Metal Greymon. So we got this one as well. This is probably a cool thing to have for your D&D campaign, in my opinion, or use it for skanks, skaven. I don't know what the lizard folks are called for Age of Sigmar. You could try probably mix in with that as well, in many ways. But yeah, that's good. Glad Miniature. This is D&D. I'm trying to find April release. This is that's March release. May spoiler. April spoiler. I think we're getting Rangers for this, so that'll be actually good. Ranger needs to be more worked with in the D&D and Pathfinder. I think Rangers are basically like a butt of a joke a lot of times. This is Berserk. This is they do DC stuff, so we're gonna get looks like a Brainiac version of Batman, and we got the Mad Hatter and Spawn, and this is the bust of it that they're going to be working on. So yeah, boosters prescription, free terms. So yeah, Cyborg. Oh no, this is Batman Brainiac. Uh, is that Alpha? Is that Alpha's gonna be popping out of it? This is the Apocalypse Spawn. That looks cool. I remember Spawn used to be dope back in the '90s. Now I don't see much of like Spawn and stuff. I think the last comic I collected Spawn was the War of God Spawn. I believe it was like back in like the medieval age and stuff like that. Rodon Studio is another figure as well. I think there's Bersolio Kazu, the light for it. I just saw the ending of Luffy in Gear 5 grabbing him in the end. Can't wait to watch the rest of the fight for it. So this is the April model, Nami and Goku. I'd rather have Nami than these two. I'd rather have female figures because, I'm a pervert. Kuru figure. This is a current project they're working on. This is a recent project from the past month. So you get all 6 of it. So yeah, the May one would be this one as well. One day, guys. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.